This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me do exactly that. Now you can go ahead and launch it once the app is ready. In here you gotta tap at the agree and continue button. Then you gotta skip the ad that follows. And in order to connect your tablet to VPN, let me try to rotate the app layout, which for some absolutely mysterious reason it is not capable of doing on this particular tablet. Oh god, okay. So tap at the caret icon over here. Allow the Turbo VPN app to create a VPN connection, or to put it simply, confirm the connection request. And now wait for the app to connect your tablet to VPN. And here it is. So if, as you can see by this indicator at the right half of your status bar, the VPN was successfully connected to. Now you can reconnect yourself to some alternative server or country if necessary by tapping over here and then choosing the desired server. Then wait for this cute bunny to reconnect your device. And then finally, if you would like to turn the VPN off, simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.